Hi all, today I wanted to show you our engineering team found deeper cavities on construction site. Surveying team marking levels. And today I wanted to show you access ladder to the construction site from the upper levels. And contractor installed a generator for tower crane usage. Also, contractor arranged a store for his materials. Water for all employees, toilets, mobile toilets. Today casting columns. Also team working on building masonry works, single density brickwork. Also they are infilling. Working on triangular infillates. So I am showing you the video. Did the primer for raft foundations and pad foundations. After finishing membrane works in chest pits, you can see in the video. Today team they work cast some concrete pad foundations as well. There was a ramp, it was removed, but still to clean pad foundation bases and some Durga areas. Containers what you are seeing in the video, they are offices for contractors team. Some raft foundations we did the primer. You may see some cavities in the foundation bases. Also, other contractor did excavation for drainages. In the video, you may see formwork for the columns. So tying still here. Team working on the formwork for the columns. Delivered some pipes for drainages. This is the reservoir for the whole project. Some works already has been done in it. And prepared some plastic works, waterproofing under the ground slab in the reservoir.